Hey everyone, welcome back to Dr. Neelabh. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to: knee problems. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone who's been dealing with discomfort, this video is for you. Our knees are incredible joints that bear a lot of weight and stress every day. But sometimes, they can give us signals that something might be off. Do you experience pain when running or going up and down stairs? You're not alone. One of the most common issues is patellofemoral pain, affecting the area where your kneecap and thigh bone meet. If you are facing acute pain, remember the R.I.C.E method: rest, ice, compression, and elevation. It's a good first aid measure to reduce swelling and discomfort. Strengthening the muscles around your knee is crucial. Try exercises like leg lifts, squats, and lunges to build strength and stability. But always listen to your body and start slow. Additionally, consider using knee supports or braces during activities that aggravate your knee. They can provide extra stability and support. Most importantly, if you're experiencing persistent pain, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help diagnose the root cause and guide you on the best course of action. That's it for today's quick guide on knee problems. Remember, taking care of your knees is an investment in your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Take care of those knees, and I'll see you in the next video.